Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video will be an unboxing video of the brand new iPad Air model. So Apple is recently launched their iPad series from iPad Pro to iPad Air. So this video will be discussed on iPad Air model. So this iPad Air comes with Apple all new chipset, that is Apple M1 chipset. So we're gonna see what are the features of this iPad in the later part of this video. So before jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update from this channel. So let's get started. So let's quickly unbox it first and see what we're gonna get inside the box. So along with this iPad, I'm going to unbox this Apple second generation pencil that supports with this iPad Air model. So this iPad Air not only supports this Apple pencil but also supports the Apple Magic keyboard. This is the second generation Apple pencil that fully supports with this iPad Air model. So previous generation iPad Air models that doesn't support this Apple Pencil. So let's quickly tear up this thing and see the product. On the side you can see the magnet connector. This is the power adapter. Next we have got this USB Type-C to Type-C cable and nothing else. We have this inside the box. So in this way you can attach the pencil with this iPad. Let's quickly set up this thing. So this iPad comes with the fingerprint sensor that's on the top of the power button, or you can say that the fingerprint sensor is on the power button itself. So this is the specification you can see on the screen. So on the top and the bottom side you can see two speakers grills are there, and on the right side of the top you can see the power button as well as the touch ID sensor is there, and on the right hand side you can see the volume button, and on the back you can see the camera and microphone grill. And on the side, as I have already mentioned, that it's the magnetic connector that holds that pencil. On the side button you can see the nano SIM tray, and on the bottom you can see the USB Type-C connector to charge your device. So it has 10.9-inch large LED display, and it comes with Apple M1 chipset along with the 8GB of RAM that will increase the performance of this processor at the maximum level. So beside this processor, it has 12 megapixel rear camera and 12 megapixel front camera. So that's it for this unboxing. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update from this channel. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.